Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you will be fine. I am here with a new mathematical problem. 5 divided by 1 by 5 is equal to 1? Yes or no? Dear students, we have in left hand side which is equal to 5 divided by 1 by 5. We have a rule KCF rule. K mean keep the first one as yourself. C mean change, divide is changed into multiplication. And 1/5 is flipped. K mean keep, divide is changed. C and F mean flipped, 1/5 is flipped over, it will become 5. So 5 multiplied with 5 will be equal to 25, which is our answer. Another question, 9 minus 2 multiplied by 9 minus 2 is equal to what? First of all, PEMDAS says that we have to solve parentheses. PEMDAS is this, PEMDAS. PEMDAS tells us that first of all we have to solve parentheses. So 9 minus 2 multiplied by 9 minus 2 will be equal to 7. Then PEMDAS says that multiplication and division. So 9 minus 2 multiplied by 7 minus 2 multiplied by 7, it will be equal to minus 14. And finally 9 minus 14 will be equal to minus 5, which is our required answer. Next question is very important. This question has division, multiplication, and division. And PEMDAS rule tells us that if a question carries multiplication and division, both have the same priority, but we have to move from left to right, mean division function is at left, so we will solve first it. So first we solve this one. 2 divided by 2 will be equal to 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. Now PEMDAS says that multiplication and division are in the same question, so the function which is at left will be solved first. So 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 divided by 2. So its final step, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, which is our required answer. Thank you.